When it comes to financing, obviously friends, family, credit cards. I don't recommend credit cards. I just know that I did it in the beginning because that's all I had. That was my only choice. So how to do that. The SBA 7A loan is a fantastic program if you're not aware of it. I think I have information on, no, I didn't put it in there. I thought I put it in there. Anyways, there's the SBA 7A loan program. It's a fantastic program. If you haven't looked into it already, you can actually get a business loan and maybe put as little as 10%, maybe as high as 20% down on a loan to start a new business, and it can be based on the projections of that business, which is a great asset. So if you are at least credit worthy and maybe you own a home or you have some assets, the SBA 7A loan could be a great loan program to help you get your business started if you don't have a ton of cash to burn in advance. You could also, if you have a 401k, there's this thing called it's like a rollover, something, they call it a ROBS, but the reality is you can use your 401k money to invest in your business and actually use that 401k money to use as the down payment on your SBA loan if you chose to go that route. Or you can pull that money out tax-free to just use to start your business, depending on how much money is in your 401k. Obviously, you might have some equity in your house. I mean, everyone's got a little equity, the last couple of years if you owned a home, but there might be equity sitting there still. I mean, it seems like the markets are slowing down, but that is a possibility for you to, obviously pull some equity out of the home, maybe use that towards, how you finance your business. Of course, there's the last option, which is like partners, investors. Does that make sense for you? How would you want to structure that?
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.